What's up everyone? I wanted to give a quick update on what's been going on with the Corvette. I've got a full feature edit coming out soon, but it's been taking me a little while. I'm only working an hour or two here and there, so instead of waiting for that video to come out, I'll give you a one-take video of update what's going on right now. So the engine is in. It came from up top. I got video footage of all that. We're at the point now where we're getting close to being done with it. Just put the headers on the driver's side today. I got the water pump on. Let me go to the other side here. Got the AC compressor and belt system put on down here. Got the water pump on right now. What I'm working on right now is getting the passenger side header on. I might have to fiddle with the starter down there. Getting all the electrical hookups in place. One of the things I'm working on and waiting on is I need to have the power steering here in the bracket. I've got that over here, but this is the one that came out. It's got its pulley stuck on here. I don't want to use this one. I got this replacement one, but it is the wrong one. It has a slightly different fitting size right in here. Also, the bend back here, I could probably work with that, but it made it really tight to get this in. I painted the bracket black, just some black engine paint. It looks pretty good, so that'll be good. If you're familiar with Corvettes, they have the stock plastic pulley, which is junk. I hit it with a hammer to get it out because the whole thing is buckled. Apparently, this is really common for this to get stuck on here with this plastic one, so I'm not worried too much about that. A new one of these is 40 bucks, so I'll get the right one. This pulley here is from LS2 or C06 Corvettes. It's the exact same size, but it's made out of metal. And I pressed it on here already, it fit perfectly, and you can actually get access to the bolts because why I broke this before, you need to get access to these bolts back here, but this completely covered it up because it was solid. So having this one on here made it a whole lot easier to get access to the bolts. So that's a keeper for sure. And this one only costs like 30 bucks, give or take, I think. Got this bad boy for Christmas. 1,400 foot-pounds of removable force. This thing I've been wanting for years. It's nasty, it's making my job a whole lot easier. Another thing I've got going on is the valve covers. I painted them. That's not the final color. This is just a base coat. Those will be revealed in the video that I do a full feature edit on. Be good to go. Whoa, hit something on the ground there. I've got this pedal adjuster in here. I'll securely mount and a bleeder that pops up near the battery. I'm gonna put some heat shield stuff around that before we get it started. But when I was waiting for the engine to get built, waiting for it to come back, I got started on a double din install. That would be another separate video. But since I got the engine back, I've stalled on this and I'm waiting for the engine to be up and running before I fool with that anymore. Yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on what's been going on with the Corvette because I've been working on it just slowly here and there. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want more updates and frequent updates, check me out on Instagram, Garage Topics. I think it's actually Garage Topic, but also you can check me out on Facebook, Garage Topics there as well. That's all I got. I just wanted to do a quick update instead of leave you guys hanging. So now you know what's up to date. Video will be out soon. I'm hoping to get this started within the next week or two. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, like, comment, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you want to. Peace out.